Hey guys, we received this amphibious remote control car for test and try. So you can see this car can run on water or land or any other thing you want to use for. So this is a waterproof car and let's us see like how is this product and then how is this work. So let me just unbox this first and you can see like it have this water container and the other accessories here. So let me just take it out. So remote control. And this one is the hand access, like you can put it on your hand and with the gesture control you can control this. So this have this included screwdriver, and then you can just take out this screwdriver or the screws to put in the battery. So you need to be careful because as this is a waterproof design, so you need to be very sure that once you put the battery, this particular jacket is properly sealed so the water will not go inside. So this is the sealed container or the jacket here just to put in the battery. So say like if you want to charge the battery, you have to put this supplied USB charger. You can put this battery in and then the USB charger will work. So once this battery is charged, you can take it out and put it in the car. So as I said, once you put in the battery back into the pack, you have to close this screwdriver clearly and closely. So the lights are on, so you can just control the on and off button also, but I will just put in it so that I can just test and try. So this is for the water jacket. So you need to put in the water in the container and then put it back on top of it. So I will put that in a short time. So for now, I will just show you this car and the RC. So this is the remote button and then this is the all the car set. So as I said, this is the water container. So you have to put in the water here and then close it on the top of this car. So for the remote control, as I said, you can control this car by two way. One is the handheld remote control and other one is the gesture one. Both require the batteries. The battery is not supplied. So you have to use this AAA batteries in it and then put in this two AAA battery. So the remote control, you can see like start working, connected really fast. And now this car is ready to go. So you have to put in this water. Before that, I will also show you the gesture control one. So you have to put in the batteries here. This started and connected with the car. And let me just wear it on my hand. So you can see, say if the car is on, it will connect it. And as I'm moving my hand, you can see the tires are moving. So this is the control that you can do with the gesture of your hand and this will work. So I'm just using both the controls just to show and you can see even the water from the car and then it's just sprinkle or the shooting the water from the top gun on the top. So really a fun way, and you can see the water coming out of this gun. So this is really a fun thing, cool thing, and you can also put this car in the water. So I can show you that way as well. And then it's a fun car with a fast remote control and the water shooting thing.